Good morning, children. This is Raj Gajendra Pillai from Kana Kingdom. Today we are going to learn about English. Chapter 2nd of class 2. The topic is Ellie the Sleepy Elephant. We are going to learn about topic Ellie the Sleepy Elephant. This is for class 2, chapter 2nd. Take out your notebooks, take out your pencils, be ready to write down the vocabularies, whatever you feel like is tough for you. Right? Take out your notebooks. Give me 5 seconds. Now look at the screens, what it says. Table of contents. What are table of contents? Table of content. The table of contents are the index telling about the session's work on topic. The topic is Ellie the Sleepy Elephant. What all we are going to learn in that? New words, hard words and their meanings. We will be reading the chapter first. First we are going to read it, then we are trying to understand it. I will explain it and then later it's understanding the chapter. What a table of contents, it's index the whatever we are going to learn in the session, we are going to know it in this form. New words, hard words and their meanings. Reading chapter, understanding the chapter. Right? So this is what we are going to cover today in the lesson. Right? Be ready. Give me 5 seconds. Now let's look into hard words, new words and their meanings. Banana. Have you seen banana? Anytime? Have you seen banana? Yes. You have seen, you have even eaten it, right? How do you eat a banana? How do we eat? Hold it in the hand, we peel it off, right? Then we have it, right? What is the color of banana? It comes in yellowish color when it is ripe. When it is raw, it's greenish in color, right? What is a banana? A banana is an elongated edible fruit. Edible means eatable. Edible fruit. Anything which is edible means we can eat. Right? Banana. A banana is an elongated edible fruit. Loud. L-O-U-D. Loud. What is loud? Loud means producing or capable of producing more noise. Right? What is loud? If there is a student, teacher asks a question to any of the student, what does he do when he doesn't know the answer? He repeats the question slowly. At that time what teacher tells? Speak little loud, means we cannot hear you, speak little loud. What does teacher want to tell him? Teacher wants him to produce more noise. Means more voice should come so that everybody can listen. There are certain machines which are very loud. There are boys, when they play, they can produce more noise through their throat. Right? Loud means producing or capable of producing much noise. Right? Loud means noise. Loud means disturbance. If we are talking slow, when your voice is not audible, we say, be little loud so that we can hear you. But this loud is producing or capable of producing much noise. Noise means what? Noise is disturbance. When the children play in the garden, they make more noise, they shout at the peak. Yes, that is not good. Right? Loud means producing or capable of producing much noise. Bunch. Bunch means a group of something. Something which is more than 4, 5, 6, maybe 10 together is called as a bunch. For example, I would tell you, have you seen grapes? Grapes? Yes, grapes comes in bunches. I am telling you about fruit because the fruit is the easiest way to understand and to memorize. Bunch of something, a group of something is called as bunch. Silly. What is silly? Silly means foolish. Who is foolish? Somebody who doesn't pay attention to the studies, who doesn't want to pay attention to the work which is given to him. If something is been told, is not listening properly. Something is been told over again and again. But while writing, he makes silly mistakes. Silly mistakes means small mistakes which is not to be made. It's foolishness. When we have been asked to learn something, you don't learn, that's foolishness. You write the entire question, write the entire question and answer full, but you are doing your spelling mistake. That's the foolishness. That's the silly mistakes which you are making in the, because you are not memorizing and doing it. That's silly. Silly means foolishness. Right? Opposite of silly is what? Wise. If you are wise, then you take it up. Silly means what? Silly means foolish. Right? Please write this down. Producing, capable, banana, elongated, edible. These all spellings you need to know. Give you 5 seconds. Please write this down. Ali, the sleepy elephant. Now we are coming to the chapter. We have learnt about the hard words which were there. Now we will read the chapter and try to understand it. Right? Ali, the sleepy elephant. Ali, who is Ali? Ali is the young elephant. Have you seen elephant somewhere, sometime? You must have seen it in the zoo, you must have seen in the picture, you must have seen in the wall pics, or maybe in your mobile or in your books. The photograph of elephant. How does an elephant look like? Elephant is huge with 4 legs, small tail on the back, big ears, a huge trunk, and 2 tusks with 2 eyes. Right? Have you seen the elephant? Yes. You have not seen, see it in the book. Ali, the elephant. Ali was whom? Ali was young elephant. Right? Ali, the elephant, liked sleeping. Everybody likes to sleep, right? You also like to sleep, right? Nobody will wake you up. You won't get up till late afternoon. Right? Ali, the elephant, liked sleeping. What is sleeping? Sleeping means when you sleep, what happens? Your body is in the fact state of relaxing. Right? It gets relaxed. Your body gets relaxed because you don't perform any action at that time and you sleep. Your entire body is in the state of rest. Ali, the elephant, liked sleeping. She woke up late. She slept in school. She came back home and slept some more. What is the meaning of these lines? Means Ali was fond of sleeping. She was so fond of sleeping, she liked sleeping, that she woke up late in the morning. She slept in the school. She went to the school. She slept there also. She came back home and slept some more. As soon as she came back from the school, she got up late. She slept in the school. After coming from the school, she slept some more. Means she liked the sleeping so much. Right? Is sleeping good for health? Excessive sleeping makes you lazy. So, when it's the time of night, you sleep, and in the morning, early morning, you wake up. right? That's what is to be done. Usually when you sleep in the night, you wake up early in the morning. One morning, Ellie's mother needed some help. The young elephant Ellie's mother needed some help. She asked Ellie to get some bananas. What help did Ellie's mother ask from Ellie? Ellie's mother needed some help. She asked Ellie to get some bananas. Right? Ellie's uncle was coming to their house for dinner. Why she wanted Ellie to get bananas? Because Ellie's uncle was coming to their house for dinner. Now you come to know about Ellie. Ellie the elephant liked sleeping. She woke up late. She slept in school. She came back home and slept some more. Now let's go to the story now. One morning, Ellie's mother needed some help. She asked Ellie to get some bananas. Ellie's mother needed some help, so she told Ellie. What did she tell Ellie? She asked Ellie to get some bananas from the forest. She told her to pick up some bananas and get it. Ellie's uncle was coming to their house for dinner. Why? Because Ellie's uncle was coming to their house for dinner. So Ellie's mother needed some help. She asked Ellie to get some bananas. Right? Yes, students, look at the pic which is shown in front of the monitors. What you can see? See, this is the pic which I was talking about, the elephant. Right? You can see Ellie. The young one is Ellie and her mother. She has woke her up and she has asked her to get some bananas. Right? So she woke her up, and now what she is telling, that you need to go to the forest to get some bananas as his uncle is coming for dinner. She has been woke up and she has been asked to get some bananas from the forest. Early morning, for a reference, you can see how the elephants look like. The elephants, look at the huge body. It has two teeth which is called as tusk. It has a huge trunk, fan-like ears which you can see. It has 4 feet in which it walks. It has a big stomach and a tail which you can see at the back. This was for your reference to identify the elephants if you have not seen. Right? Look at the Ellie. How she is looking at her mother. Ellie is looking at the mother, and she has been asked for going to the forest to collect some bananas. Right? Now look at the pig. Ellie is in the forest, and in the forest what she is doing? She is sleeping. Right? She is already slept. Why? Because Ellie was not happy, because she had to wake up early in the morning to get the bananas from the forest as his uncle was coming. In the morning she was woke up by the mother and was being sent to the forest, and while coming, what she did? She kept everything aside and fall asleep. Right? She went to the forest to get bananas. She decided to sleep. And you can see the pic that she has decided to sleep, and how she is sleeping. She wanted to sleep more. Right? In the pic you can see the same thing which is explained in the lesson. The same thing, you can see how it is sleeping. Right? Sleep is so much of her likings. She likes sleeping so much that she is not caring about anything. she is not carried about what she has been sent for, and she has slept in such a way where she cannot identify anything that what is happening, right? So she is fast asleep. So what's the next move? What is the next move the monkeys are doing? The monkeys have picked up the bunch of bananas which she had got. They climbed the tree and they threw it on elephants. Elephants means Ali's head. The monkeys threw it on elephant means Ali's head. And there came a noise. You can see thud. What is the meaning of thud here? Thud is a word which is generated through noise. It's a dull or heavy sound such as that made by an object falling to the ground. Anything which falls to the ground makes some strange and heavy sound, or a dull but heavy sound, that's called as thud. Thud, thud, right? So they threw the banana on the sleeping Ali, right? And there came the noise, that was thud. So now you understood what is thud. Thud, a dull heavy sound such as that made by an object falling to the ground, right? In the ground who was sleeping? Ali was sleeping, right? Understood? Yes. Now let's understand the entire chapter now. She was asked to get some bananas. Ali was not happy. She had to wake up early, right? One morning she had been asked for some help, right, to get bananas. Ali was not happy because she was asked to get some bananas early in the morning. So she was not happy. Ali was not happy at all. She had to wake up early, right? She woke up early because her mother had asked her to get some bananas. Ali was not happy. She went to the forest to get bananas. She went to the forest. She got up and she went to the forest. In the forest, she decided to sleep some more. Why she was woke up early in the morning? She was supposed to get bananas from the forest. Why? Because Ali's uncle was supposed to come to their house, right? Ali was not happy because she had been waked up early. She was waken up early. She was being asked to go to forest to get bananas. In the forest, she decided what? She decided to sleep some more because she was not happy at all that she was being asked to get bananas early morning. In the forest, what she decided? She decided to sleep some more. She put her head against a tree. What did she do? She decided to sleep some more. Why? Because she was not happy. She had to wake up early to get bananas from the forest, right? In the forest, what she decided? She decided to sleep some more. What for sleeping? What she did? She put her head against a tree for sleeping. Usually when we sleep, what we do? We take a pillow and put our head. The same way, when she decided to sleep some more, when she was not happy that she had to wake up early, she had to go to forest to collect bananas. In the forest, she decided to sleep some more. She put her head against a tree. What did she do? She put her head against a tree and went to sleep. What did she decide? She decided to sleep more. She put her head against a tree. Means there is a tree, she put her head against the tree and went to sleep. Third. What is this third? Third means a noise, a loud noise. Ali heard a loud noise. What was that noise? Third. Ali heard a loud noise. She felt something fall on her head. First of all, she woke up early. She had been sent to the forest to get bananas. In the forest, just because she was not happy, she decided to sleep some more. So what she did, she put her head against a tree and went to sleep. Third, Ali heard a loud noise. The noise was third. Ali heard a loud noise. She felt something fall on her head. What she felt? She felt something fall on her head. Means she was sleeping. Where was her head? Her head was put against the tree to sleep. She felt something fall on her head. The sky is falling. The sky is falling. The monkeys were shouting. As soon as Ali heard the loud noise, she felt something fall on her head. Something was falling on her head. The sky is falling. The monkeys were shouting. The monkeys started shouting. The sky is falling. Sky is falling. What did Ali do? She got up and ran. What did Ali do? She got up and ran. Why she ran? Because Ali heard a loud noise. Third, she felt something fall on her head. By the time, what did the monkeys do? The monkeys started shouting, the sky is falling, the sky is falling. She got up and ran. Ali got up and started running. She ran all the way to her house. What did Ali do? Ali started running because the monkeys started shouting, the sky is falling. Ali heard a loud noise. That was third. She felt something fall on her head. The sky is falling. The monkeys were shouting. She got up and ran. She ran all the way to her house. What did she do? She started running all the way home. Why? Because the monkeys were shouting. What were the monkeys shouting? The sky is falling. The sky is falling. Something fall on her head, and the monkeys started shouting, the sky is falling. So Ali got frightened. She got up and started running. Where did she run? She ran to her house, to her mother. Ali went straight to her mother. Right? What did Ali do? Ali started running straight to her mother. She said, what she said to her mother? She said, Mother, the sky is falling. She ran home. Why she ran home? Because the monkey started shouting, the sky is falling. So what did she do? She started running. From there, Ali went straight to her mother. She said, Mother, the sky is falling. She said what? Mother, the sky is falling. How do you know that, Ali? How do you know that, Ali? Our mother asked. What our mother asked? How do you know that, Ali? Because what she said? She said, Mother, the sky is falling. How do you know that, Ali? Our mother asked. I know. What did Ali say? I know. A piece of sky fell on my head. What did Ali say? He said, I know. A piece of sky fell on my head. Let's go and see it then, our mother said. What did our mother say? Let's go and see it then. Ali took her mother to the tree. What did Ali do? Ali took her mother to the tree. Some monkeys were eating the bananas that Ali had brought. Ellie had brought some bananas and she tried to sleep for some time as she was not happy that she had to wake up early, right? So what she did, she put her head against a tree and was trying to sleep. When she slept, what happened? She heard a loud noise, thud. She woke up. The monkey started shouting, "The sky is falling." With the fear, what she did? She ran straight to her mother. Ellie went straight to her mother. She said, "Mother, the sky is falling." "How do you know that, Ellie?" her mother asked. "I know. A piece of sky fell on my head," she said. "Let's go and see it then," her mother said. Ellie took her mother to the tree. What did Ellie do? Ellie said, "I know a piece of sky fell on my head." What did her mother say? "Let's go and see it then," her mother said. Ellie took her mother to the tree. Some monkeys were eating the bananas that Ellie had brought. When they went to the tree, what they saw? They saw some monkeys were eating the bananas that Ellie had brought. Right? Well, Ellie, the piece of sky was nothing but a bunch of bananas, her mother said. She was laughing now. What did they find out when they went to the tree? What did Ellie say? Ellie said to her mom that, "I know a piece of sky fall on my head." And what her mother said? "Come on, let's go and have a look on the tree. Come." They went there. Ellie took her mother to the tree and they looked upon the tree. There were some monkeys who were eating the bananas which was brought by Ellie. Just in the state of sleeping, they took that bananas and from the top they dropped it on the head of the Ellie and started shouting, "The sky is falling." As they said, "The sky is falling," Ellie ran home, straight home to her mother and said that the sky is falling. Her mother asked, "How do you know?" She said, "I know a piece of sky fall on my head." Then her mother said, "Let's go and look at it then." So when they went to the tree, what they saw? They saw some monkeys were having the bananas that Ellie had brought. Right? "Well, Ellie, the piece of sky was nothing but a bunch of bananas," her mother said. What did mother say? Mother realized that the thing which fell on Ellie's head was nothing but a bunch of bananas which were thrown by the monkeys, and they started shouting that the sky is falling just to frighten the baby elephant, that's Ellie. Yes, "Well, Ellie," her mother realized. She said, "Well, Ellie, the piece of sky was nothing but the bunch of bananas." She told Ellie that the piece of sky was nothing but a bunch of bananas which had fallen on you, which was being dropped by monkeys on you. Her mother said, and her mother started laughing. She was laughing now. Ellie felt very silly because in the state of sleep she couldn't identify what is happening because she was in half of the sleep. In that sleep she heard that the sky is falling, so she started running and she could not take the bananas which she had gone for. So Ellie felt very silly. Ellie, if you sleep all the time, you will not learn anything, because she was in the state of sleep. She was trying to sleep by putting her head on the tree. Ellie, if you sleep all the time, you will not learn anything. You will also not know when someone is making a fool of you. Her mother said. What did her mother say? Her mother said, if you sleep all the time, you will not learn anything. You will also not know when someone is making a fool of you, because already the monkeys made fool of Ali. They carried the bunch of bananas on the top and they dropped it on the elephant. They dropped it on Ali and started shouting what? They started shouting, the sky is falling. So she got frightened. She's in the state of sleep. She could not understand what is happening. So she started running toward the house. She told her mother that the sky is falling. Her mother said, let's go and have a look. They came to the tree. What happened? They saw that some monkeys are having the bananas that Ellie had brought from the forest. So now, well, Ellie, the piece of sky was nothing but a bunch of bananas. Her mother recognized that the monkeys wanted bananas, so they played the mischief. Right? They made a fool of Ellie. Well, Ellie, the piece of sky was nothing but a bunch of bananas, her mother said. She was laughing by now. She started laughing. And Ellie felt very silly. Ellie, if you sleep all the time, you will not learn anything. You will also not know when someone is making a fool of you. Because whenever you are sleepy, you cannot understand what is happening. Anybody can make fool of you. Right? So she told Ali, if you sleep all the time, you will not learn anything. You will never learn anything. You will also not know when someone is making fool of you. Just like the monkeys who made fool of Ali, that the sky is falling. They dropped the bunch of bananas on his head and said, the sky is falling. Right? They made a fool of him because he was in sleep. He could not understand what is happening around. Right? Is it correct? Yes. Now, the main story, the main theme is what? Sleeping too much is bad for your memories. Because when you are in sleep, if anybody asks you anything, you cannot recognize, you cannot understand, you cannot actually know what is happening. What is good, what is bad also don't come to know when you are in the state of sleep. Because you only love sleeping at that time. Sleeping is very bad. Excess sleeping won't allow you to learn something, or you won't identify that somebody is making fool of you. Right? So excessive sleeping is very bad. Right? Just as Ellie was being fooled by the monkeys, anybody can fool anybody in the state of sleep. Because by the time you wake up and come to senses, it takes few seconds, few minutes for you to be back to normal. Because when you are slept, just to wake up, you can only find somebody telling you something, but what to do you don't know. Because you never know. Because you are in the state of rest, your mind is relaxed at that time. When you wake up, your body, your hands, legs, everything is slow at that time. As soon as you get up, you wake up, you freshen up, you get energy to do something. Or else while in sleep, if somebody tells you something, you cannot identify whether it's true or false. Somebody can fool you anytime if you are more sleepy. And the story of Ellie was like, Ellie liked sleeping everywhere. In school she went, she slept in school. She came back home and slept again. Right? She liked sleeping so much. And one day when she had to wake up early in the morning, her mother needed some help. Her uncle was coming for the house for a dinner. The uncle was coming to their house for a dinner. And she was being asked to get some bananas from the forest. She went, but she was not happy as she had to wake up early. So she decided to sleep some more time in the forest. She put her head against the tree and went to sleep. The monkeys saw that she is sleeping. Monkeys carried the bunch of bananas which she had brought, take home, dropped it on her head, and what they said? They said the sky is falling, and it was Ali who just heard the noise third. She got up and started running. She ran all the way home. She told her mother that the sky is falling. Her mother asked, "How do you know that, Ali?" Her mother said, "How do you know it?" He said, "I know, a piece of sky fell on my head." Her mother said, "Let's go and see then." Ali took the mother to the tree. They found some monkeys eating the bananas that Ali had brought. Ali had brought some bananas from the forest as she had been asked by her mother to get some. Well, Ali, the piece of sky was nothing but a bunch of bananas. By this time, when her mother saw that the monkeys are having bananas, she came to know that it was a bunch of bananas which was dropped by monkeys on the head of Ali, and they started shouting, "The sky is falling." And Ali started running. Ali felt very silly. Ali, if you sleep all the time, you will not learn anything. You will also not know when someone is making fool of you. So everybody, be careful from nowadays. Don't sleep much. Pay attention to the studies. Pay attention towards the daily work. Wake up early. Right? Do some exercise. Do some learning work. Do some other games, indoor games, outdoor games. But never be oversleepy. Never think of sleeping all the time. What can happen in that time? You cannot, in that course of sleeping, you won't learn anything, and someone can make a fool of you easily. Right? The moral of the story is never be sleepy all the time. Don't think of sleeping. Right? You have to be wise. If you sleep all the time, you will not learn anything. That's what is the moral. Right? You will also not know when you get fooled, when you are sleepy all the time. So now, happy learning. Thank you. Learn the spellings, the vocabularies, the worksheets to follow shortly. Right? Thank you.